Hello everyone, my name is Vicente or Chente in Spanish. I'm coming to you today from La Coruña, Spain. And I just wanted to give a shout out to Lauren Hardy and her wonderful program, Virtual Investment Mastery. I joined Lauren's program back in September of 2020. I started marketing in October. I got my first properties under contract in October and November, closed my first deal in December, and closed three more since then, hoping to close a fifth one by February 15th, which is a couple weeks away, and working on two other contracts that we have in the pipeline to see if we can close them as well, and working on getting more, obviously. All I did to be able to do this is put in the hours, before then, get help from a couple of great people in my life to be able to pay for the program in the first few months of marketing, because I was in a very tight spot at the time, and get the program and follow Lauren's instruction and her program to the T. Okay, where I want to get at is that I'm doing it from Spain, more than 4,000 miles away from the market that I'm wholesaling in, with 7 hours difference, and I'm doing it and doing it successfully. So if you're on the fence, don't think twice about it. Just go for it. The program is great, the support is great, and it works. Having said that, thank you, Lauren. Thank you, Wholesaling Inc. And thank you to everybody else helping me through this venture. And hasta la vista.